Hello there, here's a demo of our guest manager. So the first thing we're going to do is show you how to start a wait line. So we go here, hit the set wait time. We can do either a specific time or set a time range. Let's just do a specific time. We'll make it 15 minutes and we'll start the line. Okay, so great, we've started a line now. So what's the next thing you do is then we're going to add obviously guests to the line, and you can see over here that because our wait line widget is dynamic, it automatically uploaded. So this is the restaurant's website. I'm going to go ahead, add someone here to the line. Okay, Bob. His phone number is 571-213-6147. Party, let's say 2, and he goes ahead and gets in line. And he gets an SMS sent to him. So we will deal with that a little bit. And then when the page updates, boom, Bob's in line. We got his phone number, his party size, how long he's been waiting, when he was quoted. And we'll go back here. Yep, it's the current wait time is 15 minutes, so it's all working well. We can see his location from the restaurant, which is really cool. And we can seat and notify, do all these good things. So we're going to go real quickly here and check that he got the text message. And looks like he did. Okay. Boom. And what this is, this is just going to be replaced in a second. I do a lot of testing here. And then I'm just going to reload. Okay, and okay, boom. So you can see there, Ray 15 minutes, and he's the first person in line here. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some guests. So I can also, if someone comes in my restaurant, I can add them from here. So Joey comes in, gives us his phone number. He's a party of 3. And, oh, well, let's add a note. And he's having a birthday party. So we can add that note there. All right, so now Joey's in line. So now we see that Bob's in line and Joey's in line. And when Bob goes and looks on his phone, he'll see that he's first in line, but there's someone second in line. So that's pretty cool. Again, we've checked the location. So another thing that's really cool is that we can actually text the guests. So I can go here, I can click notify, and I can say, okay, guess what? Your table's going to be ready in 5 minutes. This is all can be customized, or I can actually enter whatever my own text. But in this case, I'm going to say, hey, your table's ready in 5 minutes. Boom. And that was sent to the customer. And I'll go here, I'll look. Boom, I see that I got an alert. Your table ready in 5 minutes. Please head over to the host stand. I can say okay and respond. I'm going to go ahead and respond. Go back, get out. Go back to here, back to my where I see, and then what happens over here on this side in the guest manager is I get a notification. I'm told that someone's responded. I see this alert here, and then I can look at it. I see okay. So this is pretty cool. So this is two-way communications between the guest and the restaurant management, something that I've not seen offered anywhere else. I love it. Another thing I can do is I can move the guest in line. So what I can do here is I'm going to move Joey ahead of Bob. So now Joey's first person in line. Bob's been moved back. Obviously, I wouldn't do that first without communicating this with Bob, but just showing you the power here. And then you can see over here that this was automatically updated, and he is now second in line. He would have gotten an SMS saying that he's been moved back in line. I just didn't show that because I've got my notifications turned off so I don't get disturbed all the time. But if you can see here, we're updating the status of the place in line, and it will show in a couple seconds. Excuse me, that Joey is first and then Bob is second. So another thing we can do is remove a guest from line. So I guess if I see they're not showing up, I'm going to go ahead, I can cancel them. I click on cancel. I have the opportunity to mark them as a no-show so that when I look at my records and I look at my analytics, I can see that this person is a no-show or not, and then I can cater my marketing to them. In this case, I'm going to say, no, he's not a no-show because he contacted me. And now, Bob's first in line. Obviously, a thing I can do is now obviously seat someone. You can see over here, it's updated. Bob is first in line. I'm going to go ahead and seat him. And beautiful. A message has been said you've been seated. And now the line's over with. I can go ahead and close the line. And if there were still people in line, I know for whatever reason, maybe you were closing or there was no wait anymore. If you close the line, all the guests would get an SMS saying, hey, guess what? The line's closed. Come in whenever you want. And I'm closing the line, and now the line's over. Also here, we support reservations. So if someone calls or comes in or emails says they want a reservation, you can quickly add them. Okay, this person came in. It's an optional phone number, best thing to have, so I'll just provide the phone number that they gave me. And then reservation date and time. It's for tonight. I'm going to say it's for tonight. Let's say at 8 o'clock. Okay. Party size is 5. They want to sit at the bar. So I add that and save. And now, even though the wait line's done, I have the reservations here. And I can seat, of course. I can notify them because they provided a phone number. And then I can see the notes. The notes are, I want to sit at the bar. Okay. So, pretty cool. Very powerful tools here. And this is it.